Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Studio. I'm Sarah, your English helper and teacher. I'm very happy you are here today.
Hi, Sarah. Hi, everyone. I'm Jack. I'm learning English, and I feel a little nervous sometimes.
That's okay, Jack. Feeling nervous is normal. You are not alone. Today, we will learn together, slowly and clearly.
Thank you, Sarah. What is today's lesson?
Today's lesson is going to the doctor in English.
Oh, the doctor. I feel nervous at the doctor, and I feel nervous speaking English, too.
That's a perfect reason to learn this lesson, Jack. Many people feel nervous at the doctor, and many people feel nervous speaking English. Today, we practice both, step by step.
That sounds good. I want to learn real English. English for real life.
Yes, this is real life English, simple English, English you can use. So, everyone watching, take a deep breath. Relax. You are safe here at Daily English Studio.
Okay. Deep breath. I'm ready.
Great. Let's start with a small story. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, your head hurts, your throat hurts, you don't feel good.
Oh no, I don't feel good.
You think, I need to see a doctor.
Yes, I need to see a doctor.
Good. That sentence is important. I need to see a doctor. Can you say it, Jack?
I need to see a doctor.
Perfect. Everyone at home, say it slowly. I need to see a doctor.
Sarah, where do I go first?
Good question. First, you go to a clinic or a hospital.
Clinic, hospital.
Yes, a clinic is a small place. A hospital is a big place. But today, the English is similar.
Okay, I go inside.
You go inside. You see a desk. This is the front desk.
Front desk.
At the front desk, you talk to a receptionist.
Receptionist?
Yes, the receptionist is the person who helps you first. They ask your name, they help you check in.
Check in?
Yes, check in means you tell them you are here.
Okay, what do I say?
Let's practice. You can say, "Hello, I have an appointment."
Appointment.
An appointment is a meeting with the doctor. Can you try?
Hello, I have an appointment.
Very good. But maybe you don't have an appointment.
Oh, then what?
Then you can say, "Hello, I need to see a doctor."
Hello, I need to see a doctor.
Perfect. Simple and clear. The receptionist may ask, "What is your name?"
What is your name?
Yes. You answer, "My name is Jack."
My name is Jack.
Good. They may also ask, "Do you have an appointment?"
Do you have an appointment?
And you answer, "Yes, I do," or "No, I don't."
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Great job. Slow and clear is good. Now, after the front desk, you wait.
Wait?
Yes, you sit and wait. This place is the waiting room.
Waiting room.
In the waiting room, you wait for your name.
I wait and wait.
Yes, sometimes you wait a long time.
Oh no, waiting is hard.
Yes, waiting is hard, but don't worry. Soon, a nurse calls your name.
Nurse?
A nurse helps the doctor. The nurse says, "Jack?"
Yes?
And you say, "Yes, that's me."
Yes, that's me.
Good. Then you walk with the nurse.
I walk with the nurse.
The nurse takes you to a room. This is the exam room.
Exam room.
In the exam room, the nurse asks questions.
Questions. I feel nervous.
It's okay. The questions are simple. The nurse may ask, "How are you feeling today?"
How are you feeling today?
You can answer, "I don't feel well."
I don't feel well.
Very common sentence, very useful. Let's repeat it slowly. I don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
Good. The nurse may ask, "What is the problem?"
What is the problem?
Or what's wrong?
What's wrong?
Same meaning, very common English. You can say, I have a headache.
I have a headache.
A headache means pain in your head.
I have a headache.
Good. Other common problems are, I have a fever.
Fever.
Fever means your body is hot.
I have a fever.
Yes. I have a sore throat.
Sore throat.
A sore throat means pain in your throat.
I have a sore throat.
Very good. I have a cough.
Cough.
A cough is when you go cough, cough.
I have a cough.
Nice gentle humor there, Jack.
Thank you. I try.
You're doing great. The nurse may also ask, how long have you felt this way?
Oh, that sounds hard.
It sounds hard, but we keep it simple. You can say for 2 days or for 1 week.
For 2 days. For 1 week.
Yes, very simple. Then the nurse may check you.
Check me.
Yes, the nurse may check your temperature.
Temperature.
Temperature tells how hot your body is.
Okay.
The nurse may say, I will check your blood pressure.
Blood pressure.
Don't worry about the word, just listen and relax.
I can do that.
After the nurse, you wait again.
More waiting?
Yes, a little more waiting. Then the doctor comes in.
The doctor.
Yes, the doctor says, hello, how are you today?
How are you today?
You can say, I'm not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well.
Very good. The doctor asks, what brings you in today?
What brings me in?
It means, why are you here? You can answer the same way. I have a headache. I have a fever.
I have a headache. I have a fever.
Yes, the doctor may ask more questions.
I hope I understand.
Don't worry, doctors speak slowly too. The doctor may ask, does it hurt here?
Does it hurt here?
You can say, yes, it hurts, or no, it doesn't hurt.
Yes, it hurts. No, it doesn't hurt.
Excellent. The doctor may listen to your heart.
My heart?
Yes, or check your throat or look in your ears.
Okay, I stay calm.
Good idea. Then the doctor explains.
Explains?
Yes, the doctor tells you the problem. The doctor may say, you have a cold.
A cold.
A cold is common, not serious.
That's good.
Or the doctor may say, you have the flu.
Flu.
The flu is stronger than a cold.
I see.
The doctor may give you medicine.
Medicine.
Medicine helps you feel better.
I like medicine.
Me too, Jack. The doctor may say, take this medicine twice a day.
Twice a day.
Twice a day means 2 times a day.
Morning and night?
Yes, morning and night. The doctor may also say, get some rest.
Rest.
Rest means sleep and relax.
I like rest too.
Me too, Jack. The doctor may say, drink a lot of water.
Drink a lot of water.
Simple advice, very common.
This feels easier now.
That's the goal. Now, before we leave, you can ask questions.
Questions again?
Yes, simple questions. You can ask, when will I feel better?
When will I feel better?
Or, do I need more medicine?
Do I need more medicine?
Very good. When the visit is done, you say, thank you, doctor.
Thank you, doctor.
Polite and kind. Then you go back to the front desk.
Back to the front desk.
Yes, you may need to pay or get a paper.
Okay.
And that's it. You went to the doctor in English.
Wow. Step by step, it's not so scary.
Exactly. Step by step. Slow and calm. Now, let's do a short practice together.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm the receptionist. You are Jack. Hello.
Hello, I need to see a doctor.
What is your name?
My name is Jack.
Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't.
Please have a seat in the waiting room.
Thank you.
Very nice. Now, I'm the doctor. Hello, Jack. How are you today?
I don't feel well.
What's wrong?
I have a sore throat and a cough.
How long have you felt this way?
For 3 days.
Great job, Jack.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
And that's what we want for you too. Now, before we finish, let's recap some key words.
To review time.
Yes, let's repeat together. Doctor,
Doctor.
appointment,
Appointment.
waiting room,
Waiting room.
nurse,
Nurse.
headache,
Headache.
fever,
Fever.
sore throat,
Sore throat.
medicine.
Medicine.
Excellent. These words are very important. Use them again and again.
Practice makes better.
Yes, practice makes better, not perfect. And remember, it's okay to feel nervous.
I feel nervous, but I can try.
That's the best attitude. Everyone watching, you can pause this video and practice speaking.
Speak out loud. Don't be shy.
Exactly. This is Daily English Studio. We're here to help you feel confident.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you liked this lesson, please like the video.
Subscribe to Daily English Studio
Comment below and tell us where you are watching from.
and share this video with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you for your time and your hard work.
See you next time.
See you next time. Take care and keep learning English.